Let's remove this thing so it doesn't.
Okay, yeah.
Let's move it.
Okay. This is good enough. It's covering the screen.
Good morning, Mark.
Hi, Janessa. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing well.
How was your weekend?
Very nice. It was rather cold here, though.
Yeah, it's still cold here, very cold.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. I guess another winter. I said winter season.
Well, I'm hoping winter isn't here yet. It's a little early for winter, but
Yeah, this morning it was frozen outside.
right. They're saying, if you believe the winter almanac, we're supposed to have a lot of snow this winter here in our area.
Yeah, I suspect that. Okay. Okay, I have clicked on the link. I think you're seeing me, right? You're in.
Yes, I'm in.
Okay. So last week you helped me with a filter.
Yes.
We did it in test. And then I tried the same thing in production.
Uh-huh.
So this is test. The one we did, I need phone. I need phone this thing. A column for phone numbers, and also the effective date is empty. It's not filling it. Like you see, the effective date is empty. It doesn't have any date in it. But the sample she gave to me, here is the sample she gave to me. It has effective date. And I went in. I went into the layout. I checked. There is nothing about phone number here. I checked, there's no phone number here, so I couldn't add it.
Okay, well, here's the problem. In that particular list, we don't have the phone number. So when you try to create the filter, like I said, you don't see that column in the drop-down. So that tells you that we either have to add that to the list or we have to use a different list. It just turns out, it just so happens that the writer list doesn't have phone number or birth date in it.
Okay.
So I would have to add that or modify that so that you can add that to your list.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, when we add a column to an existing list, all the layouts get deleted except the default layout. Okay? Filters, though, do not get deleted, but the layouts get deleted.
Okay.
So if you look at your filters, how many filters do you have for that list?
You mean this one here?
No, that's layout. So if you close that window and you look at filters, how many filters do you have? Yeah, so you have quite a few filters. So those won't get deleted.
They won't, right?
They will not be deleted, no. But the layouts will get deleted.
Mm.
The alternative would be to create a third list that has the phone number in it.
Yeah, I think it would be better to do that. So nothing is deleted.
It's just going to be then that you're going to have all these different rider lists in your generic list window.
So which one do you prefer? Now.
Well, if you go to the generic list icon, right? Generic list.
Mm-hmm.
And you go to list table select. And you go down to the R's. See how it says rider list and then rider list 2.
Mm-hmm. Rider
and you got
list.
rider list with bus information and rider list without bus information.
Mm-hmm.
So you basically have 4 of them there right now.
I wonder what is in rider list too. Can we
All right.
modify?
Well, go ahead and select it, and then click OK, and then go ahead go to your filters once.
Everything or just one? Can I?
Oh well, you better run one of those filters there. See, that's pointing to something called a rider list 3 table. Okay, so here, let me borrow your mouse for just a moment, Chinasa.
Okay.
Okay, here's the default one called rider list. Okay, you can see in there's no phone number. So then we have this one here called rider list 2, where you don't have any bus information. And then someone created one for you called a rider list 3.
It doesn't have phone information either.
That doesn't have the phone number either. So I'm not quite sure what the rider list 3 is all about.
Yeah, I'm trying to compare. I think if they are the same information.
It looks a lot like rider list 2. Oh, I'm sorry, it's got program, see? Under program 1 and 2, then there's something called program. So that's new. Census group type eligible, effective location. Yeah, that's what it is. Someone added the column called program.
Is program different from program 1, program 2?
Must be. Program is in your layout when you load your student file, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you got rider list 2, and rider list 3. So if you need a phone number or a birth date, I would have to add it to one of those 3.
Okay.
But when I add it to the list, again, you would lose any layouts, so you would have to recreate the layouts.
No, if you add it to like rider list 3, what will I lose?
Well, here's rider list 3, and right now the only layout you have is this one here called rider list with program.
Yeah, can we see what it is? Only program. Yeah, we can still leave the program. Okay, yeah, let's modify this.
So what did you ask me earlier? What is program?
Yeah, there is if Y is different from program 1 and program 2.
Well, it's not in your layout.
Yeah, let's go up, I think. Yeah, because we only have program 1 and program 2.
So I don't know what program is.
Yeah.
Where does that get added in? I don't know. Is that something in your student list?
Here we only have program 1 and program 2.
Right, I don't see a program, do you? No, I don't. Alright, hold on a second here.
Okay, just
These are all the
program.
columns in your census table, which is where we keep the student information. So when you load that file, you know, when you load the A file or the M file, this is where the information's going. And there's programs. See under equipment?
Yeah, I
There's
saw.
something called programs.
Yeah, I see it.
But the question is it in any of the layouts? No, see? It's not in your layout either, so I don't know where that's being populated or how that's being populated. I don't think it is being populated. At least not now. There's a lot of information in it. Look at all that. Most of the children have a blank, but 121 students have something in there. Now, I don't see it. There it is on page 2. So somebody's typing that information in here in this box.
Okay.
And most likely it's for special ed students. So we can use writer list 3 if you want and just add the phone number to that column or to that list.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll make a note here that we want to add the home phone number to program or to writer list 3.
Okay.
We can do that.
Okay.
Alright, so occasionally, like I said, when you're trying to create a filter, if you can't find that column in that drop down, in that orange drop down, then that's an indication that either you're in the wrong list or we need to add it to the list.
Okay, because in this case, rider list
Right.
is the correct list.
Right. In this case, we're just going to add that column to the list. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So what's next?
Mm, effective date is not pulling up any date. The effective is blank. It's not
Okay. So where do you
populating.
see that? Where do you see that at?
Hmm?
Where do you see effective dates at?
Okay, like the filter that I created, the okay, like where is
Remember
the
now we're in rider list 3, so maybe it was in the other list.
yeah, here.
Okay.
Like here.
Now when it prompts you for information, you're supposed to type something in there.
Yeah, I was thinking since I'm selecting everything,
Uh huh.
everything pertaining to special ed,
Okay.
but
All right. So if you double click on one of those records in the list there. Uh, okay. So you're looking for the effective date.
yes.
Okay. Here's the thing. Let me borrow your mouse. Go back here to the list. In the table, okay, for writer, in the writer table, we have these two columns. One's called effective and the other's called effective until.
Yeah.
We don't use those any longer.
Okay.
Those two columns are not used by the program.
Okay.
So was there something in particular you were looking for?
She sent me. Let me show it to you again. She sent me. She sent this to me, and this has the effective date. This is what she needed.
Has the effective date. So somebody sent you this document.
Yeah, the accountant. This is what she's used to receiving from DK.
Okay, so Shanasa, let's go back to that command prompt for a second, okay?
Okay, let me drag this out. Okay.
All right, now I'm going to borrow your mouse again here.
Okay.
Uh, okay, see there? Dickie's got something in the census table called effective date.
Okay.
So I think that's what he was sending her. All right, so let's. Okay, it looks like it was another one of those columns that they were manually typing. So if we go back to the student list, here, and we look at a student on page 2,
Effective
down
date.
here.
Yeah.
All right, so it's in the student list that this column is coming from. So if you go to the layout, you want to choose a layout that includes the effective date.
Basic layout weight. Okay.
effective date there.
And this one has phone numbers.
Right, because in the student list, in the student census, when you do the download, your layout includes a phone number. So we're pulling that in from the file.
Okay. Is there a way we can search from this special ed that are eligible for pickup from the student list? Since this has all the column we are looking for.
Well, the student list is only going to have those columns that are in the file that you're downloading from Oasis.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
So
it's not going to have anything else. It's not going to. You can't filter on eligibility or bus number or route name.
okay.
That's all done in the writer list.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
But if there's like phone number, I can add a phone number to the writer list if you need to.
Yeah. And how about the effective date? Will it be able to populate the effective dates also?
No, the effective date is not in there. If you look back here. If we look at the original writer list, effective underscore date is not there.
Yeah. I wonder how, because she's trying to do some report and she need the effective date also.
Well, go back to that email.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Here it is.
Can I borrow?
Student ID, last name, first name, address, phone, program, school, and then what's the next one? Effective date. You can get all that in the student list.
That's what I'm saying. Can we search from the student list? Can we search by special ed? Because the only information she needs is for special ed.
Right, so you just
Is
have
there
to
a way
make
we... Huh?
What information does she want, though? What you see in that email there?
Oh, wait, let me get the email.
Blessings.
Mm.
No, meeting
Okay, hold on. Where's the email? Somebody. Yeah, wait.
Okay, so student ID, last name, first name, address, phone, program, school, P1, P2, and effective date. Those are all in your student list. So
Okay.
you can go to the student list and make a layout and then filter on ST, and then it'll give you a list of the children that you're looking for.
Okay, let me see. So this is student list. Filter.
Okay, so that layout there is pretty darn close. It looks like we added a column.
I need students by
Well, she wants SP, right?
Yeah.
So it looks like program 1 is SP or SPED.
Public school sped. Can I use public school sped?
I don't
But
know.
then she need eligible students that are eligible for pickup.
Well, aren't all the special ed children eligible for pickup?
I think parents pick up some, parents drop some, but majority, yeah.
Well, you would have to ask one of the route planners, how do they indicate that in the student record?
Okay, let me ask them now. Hello, Mark.
Hi.
Yeah, the special ed,
Mm-hmm.
they are eligible. Just special ed eligible. Yeah, they go into the rider list and make them eligible.
What do you mean?
I asked her if all the special ed students are eligible for bus service. She said no. Some of them, their parents might be drop off car riders. I
Right.
say, okay, how do you code those that are eligible for bus services? She said they just go into the rider list and make them eligible.
All right. Well, then that would mean she would go. You would go into here. Oh, we have to find somebody
Into
that has
the
a rider
students.
record,
Yeah,
and you would
and
double click on
yeah.
this to make them eligible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think instead of the okay, so rider list 3. So if we go back here to let's go back here to the generic list, rider list 3, under layout. There's this one called rider list with program. And then filter. We'll have to see what these filters are here. Instead, riders for state report. So this means that they're routed. Their program type is not 0. School not equals grad and program 1 equals RG, so that's regular ed. That's regular ed. That's regular ed also. Okay, so do we want any particular school or do we want everybody?
Everybody, all the sped.
Yeah, I don't know who made these filters, but Okay, so in your student data, in order to be a special ed student, your program 1 has to be a SP, is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Program 2 also.
Program 2 also?
Yeah, she has program 1 and program 2 on the list.
No, but I'm saying program 1 has to be SP.
Yes.
But what about program 2?
SP also.
Okay, so program 2 also has to be SP?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we'll do program 1 is SP and program 2 equals SP.
Mm-hmm. Address. Okay. Type. What's type?
Pickup or delivery.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so there you are. So type, program 1 is SP, program 2 is SP, type is pickup, and they're eligible.
Okay. And then program.
What about program?
She has program on the list.
I know, but that's the layout, not the filter.
Oh, okay.
Let's just stick with this for a second, see what that gives us.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to work on the layout. So under the layout here, we're going to define a new one. So we're going to copy this one and create a new list, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so she wanted student ID, last name, first name,
Address.
address,
Phone number. P1, P2.
okay, see that's going to be a problem because
Effective. Yeah.
She wants phone number in there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, can I see the original email again that she sent you? On October 26th, I need a download of all the special education students that we are transporting to school every day.
She said that I sent her, but that wasn't me. It's Dicky.
Attached is a copy of the report that you sent me last year. Please let me know if you have any questions. So where's the report that Dickie sent her last year?
This attached Excel.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to borrow your mouse for a moment.
Okay. Mark, I'm stepping out for a while. I'll be right back. Let me get some hot water.
Okay.
Okay, Mark, I'm back.
Okay.
Almost 1 hour gone. I'm thinking, what if I filter by all students and delete all the regular students?
Disconnected looking here. I'm going to take care of it.
Mark, will this count to my training time?
No, I'm gonna just fix that for you later.
Huh?
I'm gonna fix this for you later.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, so we'll come back to this.
Okay.
Alright? Okay, so what's the next thing you want to do?
Okay, let me close out of this.
So eventually, though, if I add that to that list, that you'll be able to use that writer list 3, I think.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Remember the school, the driveway we created the other day?
Yes.
Let me show you. Where is this? Okay. This is not showing on the one on the desktop.
Okay, first of all, are we in the right database?
Yes, Monco 18 is the right database.
Okay, second of all, did we build the picture files?
I think you did it.
Okay, third, are you in Mapnet or are you in transportation?
I was in Map Edit when I checked.
Okay, alright, so if you go back to Mapnet, you don't see the driveway.
Yeah, let me go back to
Okay.
it.
Because again, you have to remember, it's all about the picture files.
Yeah.
All right. So if you have two database, if you have two, you have the remote and you have the remote and you have your desktop. So you got to make sure that the picture files are correct.
Mm-hmm. Is it Clover? Clover.
That looks right.
No, this is test. I did this morning. I was going to ask you to check it for me. That one is a text.
Okay. Okay. So this morning you did it in Modco 18.
No, this morning I did it in test. You did it in Montco 18 in
right.
terminal server. But this
Okay,
morning
so-
I did the same thing in Montco test just to. Yeah,
Okay.
this is Montco 18 on my desktop.
Okay, so what we have to do is we have to rebuild the map edit picture files on your desktop.
Okay.
So if you close the program, do you have a toolbox on your desktop?
Yes, I do.
Okay, there it is right there.
Mm-hmm.
Should be able to use that one. All right, now you have to
No,
change,
this is test. No. Let me go out.
Well, wait a minute. Hold on a minute. If you right
Oh!
click on it,
Oh my
right
God.
click on it, go to properties. It's pointing to Montco 18.
Yeah. Okay, let me go
Okay,
back.
here's the problem. Right click on Montco toolbox again. Go to properties. Take out the 1999-18. That doesn't belong there. And the space after the G. Alright, now try it. Double click. That's better.
Okay.
Alright, so click enter there. Push the button that says map edit. Alright, now click enter. And click enter again. Alright. This can cause a lot of problems by having you edit the map from both the desktop and the Citrix server. You can get yourself into trouble by not rebuilding the picture files.
Yeah, I think I will only do the map edit in the Citrix server.
Well, I'm not saying you can't do both, but you just
I have to remember to
Right.
rebuild the picture file, but to be on the safe side, maybe I'll just do it from one place. But then we did it in the Citrix server. It did not replicate to the desktop, so I still have to rebuild the picture file on my desktop. Despite the fact that I did it in the terminal server.
Right. In order to see what changes you made in MapEdit from the Citrix server, you would have to rebuild the picture files. Okay, so we're done. So you can go ahead and exit out.
Let me check. Oh.
There it is.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, can you please check the one I did what's this? Test. This one, I did this.
Okay, you did that all by yourself?
Yes, I did it this morning. Can you
Okay.
make sure I put the addresses and everything in the right place?
Okay, so I'm going to borrow your mouse for just a moment, all right?
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, you have to, when you create the new driveway, you have to cut this road. So you've made a cut here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that looks good. And then you have to cut this road here.
Yes.
So you made a cut there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's good. So then you drew in the new block
Yeah.
like that, and then you put a shaping point in there so you could bend it into an L. That looks good. And then when you created it, you put in the name of it. So that looks fine. Now the only thing is, remember when you're drawing a driveway.
Oh, yeah.
the feature
Okay.
code-
Yeah, I didn't do that.
The feature code has to be SAV, so we don't lose it
Mm-hmm.
when we do the map update.
Okay, so let me just add it. Okay.
Alright.
So close out of this.
Yeah, that looks fine.
And then I did the shape for the school.
Right,
Oh,
that
I
looks good
didn't.
too.
Yeah, but I think I remembered something I did not do.
You didn't put the name of the school.
I didn't. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So for this, let me
Yeah, you
see.
just use the A tool.
I want to copy this. How do I copy? So it will have the same
Size.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so all you do is you take the A tool and you just click on the lettering. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Now you click in the white space where you want to create the new text.
I want to here.
Right. So there. So then you go to attributes, and it'll be the same size now as the one you clicked on.
So edit attribute.
Edit attributes. You type in the name of the school.
Mm.
And it should be the same size as Waters Landing.
Okay. And the feature code and
The feature code should be TXT.
okay, and the font
Font
type.
type should be Helvetica, and the color should be black.
Okay. So say okay.
So then you click OK. Then you move it wherever you want it to be. And then when you're ready, you click in the white space or you click on the disk to save it.
Okay.
There you are.
Yeah.
Now, when you resized the box, you changed the size of the text, okay?
Huh?
When you resized the box, you changed the size of the text.
Okay.
All right. See, whenever you move those little handles
Mm-hmm.
on the corner or the edge of the box, you're changing the dimensions of the box, and it's also changing the size of the text.
Okay.
Okay. So you
Okay.
started out by copying the size of the text
Yeah.
for that other school, but by you editing that box now, you've changed the size to something considerably smaller.
Okay. So what would I have done in order not to do that?
Well, you notice how the other one had it in 3 rows.
Yeah.
They created it in 3 lines.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can do that also.
Okay.
Right now, you've got it all in 1 line, Blair, Ewing, Up County, right? But on that other one, they did it in 3 separate boxes.
Yeah. The reason I did it was because it was too long. So if I had clicked on the white space, it would have resized or reshape.
No. No, it would have saved it.
No, I'm saying, assuming I did not alter it by using the handles, would it have put it in 3 separate lines?
No, you have to create 3 separate boxes because each time you create a box, you have to go to that edit attributes to type in the text that you want to see in that particular box.
Okay. Okay.
So see how it's Waters, Landing, ES? Those are 3 separate boxes.
Okay.
So if you click on the A tool and click on see, that's 1 box.
Okay. No, this one
And
is.
there's 1 in between.
Mm.
Click on the L. Try clicking on the L in Landing. There. Well, a little bit more to the right.
Hmm?
A little bit more to the right. There you go. So see, you got 3 separate boxes there. So in order to get the text on 3 separate lines, you would have had to create 3 separate boxes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
We don't have any way in that text to put a return in there. So you
Okay.
have to do it as 3 separate boxes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.
So I have let me pull up this email. I have requests for 2 new addresses. I was able to add one, and I cannot find the spot for the second one.
Okay.
Let me show you the one I did. Let me exit out of here. I think Flaxburg. Let me just go into my name. Oh, well, okay. Mm.
Now remember, you're in Monco test, right?
Yes, I think I did it in Monco test.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, so let me pull up the email.
That's an interesting name for a street.
Yeah.
Wheat Alley. Okay, so what's the email say?
I'm looking. I want to pull up. This is the email. She want me to add 113 Whittier Alley. So I did it here. I went to Google. So I went into Google, I saw it here. Mark, are you here?
I'm here.
Okay, so I saw it here. I checked
Okay.
the intersection here, Buffalo Head Street, and from here. So I added it.
Yeah, it's weird Google doesn't have it yet, do
Hmm?
they? It says weird Google doesn't show it on the map yet, do they?
They just have the location.
Right, they don't have the picture.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
This is all they have.
okay. So Chinasa, does your county government have a website?
Yes.
Does are the shape files available there? Or
Just
do you
the
have it? Do you see Wheat Ear Alley on your shape file?
No, I did not check because I don't know how to use that stuff yet.
Well, you and
You
I were
remember the
working with.
one we checked the other time we couldn't like figure out the address points and the other things.
Right. Okay. All right. So back on. Are you on your workstation or your terminal server?
Um, I'm on my workstation.
Okay.
You want me log into terminal?
Well, on the terminal server, you can display the shape file, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you try that and see if Wheat Ear Alley is on the shape file?
No, I did not.
Okay.
This
It's
is
not
just
there because you
this is
didn't
what I did.
update the picture files.
Huh?
It's the picture files. You didn't update your picture files on the terminal server. You
Mm.
drew it.
Yes, on the
You drew the new
desktop.
street on your workstation. You didn't draw it on the terminal server.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
but see if it's on the picture. If you go under, go to options, go to map properties, click OK there. Now close and reopen Map Edit. Okay, now go to Map Edit, go to Options, go to Map Properties. Okay, click at the top there where it says Map Color, click that CH, change it to white at the bottom. Well, you can do the corner one, the one in the corner there.
This one?
No, the one at the top. There, that one. All right, okay there. Okay, then you click Add Layer. Now you have to find that shape file. So you go up a level. Go up one more level. Go up one more level. It's under C, Mapnet NT, I think.
D, D.
Where did we put the shape files at on your terminal server?
I'm thinking D. It froze, so.
Okay, so just go up. Hit the up.
Hmm?
Hit the up level. There. Okay, this is the PC now. So now, can you find the drive, C or D?
Mm.
Right. Okay, so there's the desktop.
When I check Mapnet and see.
Right.
Shape files.
Okay.
8, 9. Let me see this one. Okay. Double click.
And then you click open. And you click yes. And then yes. And then if you click on properties, you go to the second page there, second tab, layer, you can change the color there. Otherwise
So-
it'll be that brown.
So
Otherwise
click
it'll be
on
that-
layer.
Right, click on layer. Then if you want to change the color, you can change it there to like red. No, do the one below it. All right, click OK then, and then hit reset map. Then OK, and then save and reset map at the bottom, and then exit. All right, so now if you click your mouse, it should refresh the map. There. See, they don't even have it on the shape file. All right, so you drew it in wheat ear alley, right?
Yeah.
So what's the problem?
Huh?
You added the block called Wheat Ear Alley on your desktop. So let's go back to your desktop. So what's the problem with what you did? It looks good there.
Yeah, nothing. I was just asking you to check to see if
Okay, so here, let me borrow your mouse for a moment. So you had to cut Bufflehead Street. So there you cut it there. Okay. And then you added this block in here. And when you added the block, you put it in as 101 to 119 and 100 to 120. And again, the left side is the even side. So that means that the numbers on the west side of the road are even and the numbers on the east side of the road are odd.
yeah, I'm still having problem knowing which side to use as even and which side to use as odd from
Well,
the map.
You have to, it all depends on how you draw the block.
Yeah.
When you drew the block from here
Mm-hmm.
to here.
Yeah.
So this is the from down here.
Mm-hmm.
This is the to up here.
Mm-hmm.
So the right is on this side of the road here, and the left is on this side here.
Okay.
So when you look at your map, if they tell you that the odd numbers are on this side of the road and the even numbers are on this side of the road, that's how you have to put it.
So I did so I got it right then.
Well, if your map that you're looking at tells
Yeah.
you that the numbers on this side of the road are odd, and that the numbers on this side of the road are even, and the numbers increase as you go in, then yes, you did it correctly.
Okay, I didn't even know what.
Well, the problem is the street appears to be very new, right?
Yeah.
So there's limited information available about it.
Okay.
So you might have to go to the county website and see if they have any more information about it, or you might have to drive out there and take a look at it.
Okay.
Because it may take a few weeks for the website to get updated. So if they don't have any information about it, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to add it into the map.
Okay. Okay. There's another one.
All right. Well, the other thing you need to do is when you create this intersection here.
Yeah, I did
check
that.
it.
Yeah, I checked.
Okay. All right. So that looks good too. All right. So what's the next thing you want to look at?
No, there's another street.
Okay.
But I wasn't able to figure out where to start. Let me pull it up. This one is 8405 Chevy Chase Lake Terrace. Yeah, this street, it says it's Lindsay apartment. So it's this apartment here.
Uh-huh.
And it's Chevy Chase Lake Drive. Intersects Connecticut Avenue.
Okay.
After I'm not even sure what, but the thing is that I don't know. I try to figure out how or at what point it intersected. Here is 3798 Chevy Chase. No. So in Mapnet, I try to.
No, you need to get an address on Connecticut Avenue.
Yeah. So okay, I use this.
All right. Well, what's that building? What's that building there to the south? 8101 Connecticut Avenue.
Yes, I used it also.
Then there's a dry cleaning place on the other side there. What address is that?
Where is the
on the
dry?
left. Right there, that dry cleaning place.
It's a gas station. Okay.
8402. All right.
Mm-hmm. So I went in here.
Okay.
Oh. 8402.
You're gonna need the zip code.
Yeah. 8402 2015.
Second line.
Okay.
Second line at the top.
So the zip code is
20815.
20815. Yeah. Okay. 20815. Okay.
Right. So then you click OK. All right. So you did the search with the find block tool or the select block tool. That's why it highlighted that block.
Yeah.
That's fine.
This is
Now zoom out
crossing.
just a little bit.
2855 route. She cannot.
Yeah, Mark, hold on, please. Huh?
All right.
What?
2855 route. She cannot any activity. When she clicks this route and do the activity, it's crashing. Her Mapnet is crashing.
It's closing.
Yes.
Hi, Mark. One of the routers is having problem. There is a route 2855.
Activity.
Whenever she wants to route, it crashes.
Well, we can look at that after the training if you want.
She said she really cannot do anything. She was here looking for me and then she wrote a note.
All right, well, let's go back to the map edit for a second and finish that.
Okay, thank you.
All right, see that line that crosses the road there between New Dale
Mm-hmm.
and Chevy Chase Lake Drive? That looks okay. Now, did you have to draw that in there?
No, I didn't.
No, it's there already. So what's the problem?
Chevy Chase Lake Drive? No, this one is Lake Drive. I'm looking for Lake Terrace.
Well, it doesn't show up on the other map either.
Yeah.
I think they have the wrong address. I think it's supposed to be Chevy Chase Lake Drive and not Chevy Chase Lake Terrace.
Mm.
See,
Yeah,
that says Lake
because
Drive there.
yeah, because it's not even showing up in Google.
Right. So see, there's New Dale Road, and then there's the Georgetown Branch Trail.
Mm-hmm.
That's that dotted line that goes across, and then there's Chevy Chase Lake Drive.
And the apartment is on Chevy Chase Lake Drive.
Right. So if you click on that little apartment there, what does it show the address as? Chevy Chase Lake Drive. So I don't know why they said it was Terrace.
Mm.
I don't think it's Terrace. I think it's Chevy Chase Lake Drive.
Okay. Okay, I'll go back to them.
I think when they were typing in the address, they did TR instead of DR or something like that.
Mm. Okay.
So I think that's fine.
Okay. Thank you. I'll go back to them and
Yeah, I don't think you need to change that.
okay.
Now, does 8405 exist on that Chevy Chase Lake Drive?
Yes, 8405, yes.
Okay, so then you should be okay.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right, so what's the problem the route planner's having now?
She's saying that what did she say?
2855.
2855.
Route, she cannot do activity. When the moment she clicks, it's crashes.
She cannot act. She
not
cannot
do
route.
activity.
She
No.
cannot do any activity on it. When she clicks, it crashes.
See, NT-Trans EXE stopped working.
So I'm thinking, if I replace her working file, do you think it will fix it?
No,
Oh, okay.
no.
Only for
You haven't updated the map today, have you?
No, I didn't do anything. No.
Then you shouldn't have to replace her working directory.
Okay.
What's happening now? She's trying to do what?
When
Open a map?
she
clicks the
open,
activity. Click the
if she click on the activity 2855 activity,
just
Okay.
crashing.
it crashes. This it's
All right,
closing.
well, what school is that in?
Do you know what school? Let me find out. Okay. Okay, Mark. Let me go to production. Let's go 18. So she's saying once she click here and try to do anything, click, it's
All right, so close the map. Right click, wait. Right click on the icon and delete map settings. That's what you need to have her do.
okay.
You need to have her delete the map settings and then try it again.
Okay, I'm going. Mark, it still kicked her out.
All right, so what?
Is the special lead? Is
Okay.
this?
Well, we were just looking at regular ed.
Yeah, let me go back.
Did you
Is
ever
this
delete the
one?
map settings?
Yes, I deleted the map settings, and I deleted the map settings.
So what map is she in? Open the map. No, right click, open map. So is she having trouble in this map or the route map?
Route map.
Okay, so why are we in
No.
this map?
Yeah,
This
is
map is
the
okay, it's the route map?
mm-hmm.
Alright, then we need to look at the route map. Okay, so add the activity. What was the route planner doing?
She was trying to
Put
put a stop.
Well, you want to have her
7.
come and show you?
You call her. Can we do the same thing you're doing? I have Mark on the phone. Okay, Mark, she's here.
Here's my stop.
This is also
Mark?
Okay, I see it.
Okay.
I was in the process of trying to flip-flop routes when it locked up on that one. So now if you save that route, it doesn't even show Rocky Hill being on there. And the student is unrouted for the PM.
Okay. Let me borrow the mouse then.
Okay.
Janessa, where's your route check?
On the desktop? Yeah, that.
Is that it there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you got 5 errors. You got a 2, 8, 14, and 44.
2, 8, 14. 44, okay. Students without seat.
Okay, so here's route checklist. There's our route right
That's
there.
it.
Active.
Okay, active routes not assigned to trips. So was that route supposed to be assigned to that trip?
Yes, but I was in the process of changing it with another bus when it,
Right.
when I lost connection.
So I have to put it back on that trip first.
Okay, that's
so
fine.
so that you can access it again.
Okay.
Okay, so hang on a second here. Okay, you should be able to move it now.
So I can,
So you should be able to open the route map, dump this into the route map, and we're going to change it to a certain bus or something.
yeah, I was flip-flopping buses with a different school.
Wait.
He's still doing it.
Okay, so what bus are you going to put it on?
I think it was 4809,
Okay.
but now I'm not, or 4906.
You should be able to do that, though.
Okay. I'll go try.
Okay.
Can I try from my own office?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, let me know.
Thank you. I will.
Okay, so where were we, Chinasa?
Oh,
This is live, right? We were in test?
no, this is live.
No, but were we in live before or test?
Before we were in test.
Okay, so what do you want to do next?
We okay, I showed you the two streets. One I cannot do anything to. I will confirm with the routers.
Yeah, I think they have the wrong address. I think it's supposed to be Chevy Chase Lake Drive and not Terrace.
Mm-hmm.
Unless there's a new street that nobody knows about.
Yeah. Okay. How about okay, Mark, do you have the list I sent to you?
How to do what?
Do you have the list?
Yes.
Okay.
The one you sent me
So-
on the 27th?
Yeah, what do you think we should? Oh, the school. How about the school that I emailed to you? Did you? Were you able to look at it for me, please?
What school is that?
The correct school from start to finish. Remember the document I sent to you.
Yeah, I thought you were going to redo. There was something that you were going to redo on that, though.
You didn't point it out to me.
No, I can look at that document again, but it looked okay to me.
Because when I'm following it, I get lost, despite the fact that I created it. I was creating it as I was doing it, but there are some things. I'll try to do it again, though. Okay. Can I show you another one I did
Okay.
on map version update? Yeah, did it work?
Then it messed up the route that I was trying to change it to. I'm trying to flip flop 2855 and 4906.
Map, she's back. She said it didn't work.
Now it messed up 4906.
What do you mean it messed up 49?
I'm trying to flip flop 2855 and 4906
Okay.
in the PM, so that one goes to Hallie Wells and the other goes to Rocky Hill.
Uh-huh.
And then I made the swap where I changed the bus number and the trip. And then when I went to save 4906, it gave me that same error.
Okay. Well, Chinasa, hold on just a moment here.
Oops, sorry.
Okay.
Hold on just a moment here. Gotta close this out for a minute. That's route check there. Alright, so we still got 2, 8, 14, and 44.
Yeah, the same.
Okay, now it's complaining about this one.
Yep, that's the one that I was trying to change it to.
Okay. So what trip is it supposed to go on? That first one here? Or
Yep.
the second one?
Well, 4906 should go on the first one with 4906.
Okay. Alright, hang on a second
Alright.
here. So it's 202091101. Okay, you should be able to access that route again.
Okay, can she do it from here?
Yes, or her workstation, either one. We also have a problem with another trip though, that
That's-
2855.
Right,
is
and
still
that should have Rocky Hill on it.
Was that the Rocky Hill we just were playing with
Yep.
before though?
Yep.
Alright, so hang on, let me check that one out
All right.
here once. Okay, so that has all the routes on it. It's just missing the vias in between the routes. So for that one, what we have to do is we have to basically take the 3 routes that are on that trip and move them to a new trip. That's pretty easy to fix. Hang on a minute, let me do that. That's going to be on bus 2855, right?
Yeah.
You don't have a filter that just gives me the damn bus number? Bus number. I don't see bus number.
I would do. I would do route. Oh, maybe not.
Well, what is 2855?
It's the route.
So what's that 2855 represent?
That's the route number.
That's the route number.
Yeah.
Okay, so why is it asking me to enter the lowest bus number?
I don't know. But I would do 2855 and then like 2856 or something. There we go.
Okay. Let's open this. This is the one that's missing V's. So if you look here on the contents, see we're missing V's between these routes.
Okay.
So all we have to do here is pull that trip over here to the map, check these first two boxes, and then check this third one. And then I should have 3 routes here. Then I can save the first one to a new trip. And when I save it, I'm just going to change the name to 2855-WC. AC-TM. Calculate new or modify it. Alright? You see how it comes up with a colon
Mhm.
1 there. So then the next one is this route here. I change that to the one that has the colon 1. Save it. Calculate modified or new only. And then the third one